In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy crypto on Trading 212. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you open up an account. So let me just switch to the real one. Let's do this one. So in here, you want to make sure that you set up your account, everything here. So you have to answer some questions, set up account. And once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to open up a 212 crypto. So you can see there's the invest one, there's the CFD one, and there will be a crypto one. Now, keep in mind, only some regions can actually open a crypto one. So if you cannot open the crypto one, then it's not possible for you. But what you can do is check if you can make a 212 crypto. If you can make that one, then you can simply buy crypto by going to your crypto one, and then all the crypto will be in here. So that's basically how it's done, but you need to verify your account first, and you need to open up a crypto account. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.